How big is the curry tree? This is the
1,000 years old.
See, 1,000. Look at that. How big is it? Laki guys, diba? Super duper laki niya talaga, as in. I was already 30 years old, guys, and then this is my first ever seeing in the real or in person a big and a huge tree. Super duper kalaki, as in I think 10 tao ang mag-ano nito guys, mag-hug before siya mahag, as in super kalaki talaga. For almost 1,000 years ba naman, no? So kaya preserve nila talaga to guys, kasi nga para sa mga susunod pang mga henerasyon na mga bata, no, makikita pa ito guys. So ang galing nila, no, kasi na-preserve nila to. Super duper amazing.